There seems to be some people who are still struggling for some reason with Twistedwave, saying that they have to pay in order to do it. This is absolutely not correct. In order to use Twistedwave, all you need to do is on your computer, go to twistedwave.com, click online, click New Document. The first time you hit New Document, you might get a window asking you to allow Twistedwave to use your microphone. You have to allow. If you don't, then you can't record audio. You can maximize the screen if you want. Then you will hit record. And there you go. Here's asking me to use the microphone. Now, you see the voice is being recorded. Once you're done doing your recording, just hit stop. The moment you hit stop, and you can play back, and if you're satisfied, you can go on File. But before you go on File, please type your name, Mr. Teixeira. Click File, Send to Google Drive. The moment you hit Send to Google Drive, it is going to ask you what account you need to use. Well, choose your Hackettstown account. And voila, it's ready. If I go to my Google Drive, there you go. That's the recording. Mr. Teixeira.mp3. All you need to do is attach this file to the Google entry in Google Classroom.